Good morning. Well, here at Clearwater Lake, Evergreen Resort, gonna try to fish in enemy territory here for some lake trout with my dad up at northern Manitoba. But we are in about -34 right now and it is crazy cold. So we got kind of a rig here, I'll show you. Yeah, that's a pop-up trailer, isn't it? Let's just go on the ice shack here. Catching anything? Got the skidoo inside the ice shack on the trailer because she's froze right up and won't start. The battery we brought inside, it was warmed up, but let's see if this works. Hopefully it's a little tip. Aren't this in the army? Let's see if it happens. Well, there you go. She worked. Took about 45 minutes, warmed up enough, get this sled off the trailer, and hopefully we can get some fish today.
Lake trip. Oh yeah, check it out. Check it out.
This next tip comes from the boys who used to run cats and bulldozers up in the bush, not so much the army. But if you happen to have a propane tank and a tiger torch, you can turn that into a block heater real fast. Just find yourself a suitable piece of cast iron pipe. Lay it underneath your snowmobile. Next, you just fire up the torch. And you just insert it in the pipe like this. I didn't say it wasn't sketchy, but it works! Oh yeah, you can roast some hot dogs on that bad boy. The other thing you should do is keep an extra set of spark plugs. And especially, keep them inside, keep them warm, or at least keep them in your jacket. One last tip, take a lighter or a torch if you have it, and warm up your spark plugs. Ooh, that's nice. So if you've got any more tips or tricks to add to the mix, comment down below. I want to hear how you start your old sled, so you don't have to ride the RTU ski-doo.